Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video we will be unboxing the Uhuru UMK-100 mechanical keyboard. I haven't opened it up yet, so you will be taking the journey with me in unboxing this keyboard. It's a UMK-100. It's got lifespan of 50 million keystrokes, so that's not bad at all. Mechanical switches, it's compact, 19 LED effects, and it comes with gaming software. Well, the software to change so you can customize the lighting in the keyboard. Okay. Let's open this bad boy up. So here we have a wrist pad, so you can be ergonomic with it. Lay that down. Okay. It comes with this thing, which is to remove the switches, but I don't think these are this model, this keyboard, from my understanding, it's not hot swappable. So the switches that are inside of this keyboard are the blue switches, which are the best for typing, and they're from every time I talk to people, everyone prefers the blue switches. So these are good switches in here. Comes with a user manual. USB, actually USB-C cable. And the resistance is the Uhuru keyboard itself. My first impression right now, pulling it out of the box, it's that it's light, it's very compact. My first impression is that this would make a very good travel keyboard. So if you just needed something that you want to stick in and out of your backpack while you're traveling, I mean, it feels solid, but it's also light. Okay, so let's plug this keyboard in, the USB-C cable. All right, look at that lighting up. And it has 19 different LED settings that you can set up for it. And in the manual, you can scan this QR code here, and it'll take you to the software that you can use to customize your keyboard. This keyboard has, it's a wired keyboard. So it has 68 keys. It's 60% mechanical, and like I mentioned before, it's the blue switches. You can, however, just change the effects right on here just by hitting the function key and this key up here. Also in the back, you can set these to change the height on the back so it can be at an angle. Some of the mechanical keyboards actually don't come with that, so now it's even more ergonomic. You have your pad, you can take this out of the plastic, take it out of the plastic. function. Oh, that one's pretty cool. It's like wherever you press, that's where the lighting goes. Oh, this one, wherever you press, it creates like a light wave. So very cool with the LEDs. The LEDs are well made on this. Oh, that one's kind of cool too. I like this one and the one where you click and it lights up as you click. Yeah, that's not bad. So anyhow, that's the lighting, and it has it says 20. I see 20 RGB in one, and then I see 19 different effects in the other. So I think what that means is there's 20 different lights inside of the keyboard, and then there's 19 different patterns that you can choose from. So, and you can choose your height in the back for these. There's actually two different adjustments. There's the big legs, you can see, and the shorter little legs. So you can prop it up a lot, or you can prop it up just a bit so you have so it's at an angle for you. So this Uhuru keyboard, it's compatible with Windows, it's compatible with Mac. According to some of the comments and questions on Amazon.com I read, it says it's compatible with PS4 as well. And let's see the keys. So the keys do come off, and it says that they're actually compatible with most Cherry MX keys, but that they're not hot swappable. So, but you can take the keys out. Blue switches. Yeah, most people prefer blue switches. And as far as lighting effects and creating shortcuts, you can use the manual. You can use the software that's linked in the manual. You can also use the function key in order to change the settings. You can decrease brightness. You can also, with the function and up and down keys, increase, decrease brightness. You can also hit function and left and right to make the effects move faster or slower. And yeah, there's other shortcuts you can do, like open your browser, open my computer, my media player. And what's cool is that you can't mess this up by changing the settings. You can always hit function and hold down the space bar, and you'll reset all the lighting settings on the keyboard. So, go to town, change, customize it, go into the settings, or, download the software and customize it to your heart's content and heart's desire. In some of the reviews I keep hearing about how small this keyboard is. This is, on the right is my Tezare Pro keyboard, and on the left is a Uhuru. So they're actually, the Uhuru is longer. However, if we're comparing with the Uhuru, is it's a lot thinner than a Tesoray keyboard. I'll sum this up. So I'll give you some cons and some pros, and you can make up your mind. Cons: these are ABS keycaps. The switches are Jixians, and this keyboard is not hot swappable, and it is also a wired keyboard. Those are the cons that I could see against this keyboard. However, the pros: this keyboard has blue switches, and they really do sound great. And on reviews, everyone raves about how good they sound. So they're great performing blue switches with standard size keys. This keyboard is super portable, compact. The keys are well laid out. They're organized. They are not cluttered at all. The keycaps are compatible with most of the Cherry MX keycaps and other keycaps with the same type of stems. Let's see, it also comes with a palm rest included in the price. You can customize a bunch of shortcuts on this. The lights, the backlights are actually very, very cool and very nice. And I think on top of all of that, the thing that makes this keyboard great is that it's a plug and play keyboard. So you just plug it in and you're good to go. It's not like some of the other mechanical keyboards. There's so many options. It's a little bit overwhelming, and it's going to take you some time to set it all up and get it going. So yeah, this is a great plug and play keyboard. I just did the unboxing for this, and I am taking this keyboard to work with me on Monday, and it will be the keyboard I'll be using at the office. Well, YouTube, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful for my review on the UMK-100, the Uhuru 60% mechanical keyboard. Thanks again, and take care.